In this video, we shall understand how to use the English word during. Most of the times we've been seeing this word. In English sentences. An example, during the morning, during the afternoon, the phone rang. So today we are going to further understand how do we use during. Okay, let's get started. So during is an English word that tells us when something happened. In other words, during is used to tell us when something happened or when something happens, as we're going to see in example. During mu Luganda kategeeza mu kaseera ekintu bwe kibaawo. Once again, during mu Luganda kitegeeza mu kaseera ekintu bwe kibaawo nga we tugenda okulaba. So during, in other words, tugikozesa mu Luzungu okulaga ekintu ddi bwe kibaawo oba okulaga ddi ekintu bwe kibaawo, as we're going to see. Okay, so during kigambo ekikozesebwa okulaga akaseera ekintu bwe kikola ki bwe kibaawo oba bwe kikolebwa. Akaseera ako ke bayita during mu Luzungu. In other words, during is an English word that tells us when something happened. Are we together? Okay, also during talks about something that happened in an event. For example, during the movie, he laughed. During the movie, he laughed. We twabadde nga tulaba sinema ye yasese. So in other words, during is used to show something that happened in an event. Ekintu ekikolebwa oba ekintu ekyabaddewo mu kaseera ekintu ekirala nga kikolebwa. So akagambo kano during tukakozesa okulaga ekintu ekyabaawo ng'ekirala nakyo kikola ki happeninga. So we can use during mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Okay, let's have some examples. We study during the night. An example, we study during the night. You can see during is used in the event of something. So studying is done in the event of night time. So we study during the night in Luganda can mean fe tusoma mu kiro. In other words, the night time comes and studying takes place. So tusoma mu kiro. A point to note, how do we use during? Tukozesa tutya akagambo kano aka during mu Luzungu n'Oluganda? Okay, usage enkozesa. So during is used plus a noun. Once again, during we use it plus a noun. Let's have a look at this example. We study during the night. We said a noun is a name that we do give to anything. A noun is a name that we do give to anything. For example, Kato, Peter, Cup, and many others. But today we're going to say we study during the night. So we've said during is used plus a noun. So after during, what follows next is the noun. Shouldn't confuse during with while. In the next video we're going to look at how do we use while. But today let's concentrate on mainly how do we use during. Tukozesa tutya akagambo kano during mu Luzungu. During okakozesa ng'omaze okawandiika olina kuzzaako noun si verb. Once again, ng'okozesa kano during ozzaako noun. Noun ly'erinnya lye bawa ekintu kyonna kyonna. For example, night time, class, afternoon, boy, girl gye bayita noun mu Luzungu. Omaze okuwandiika during ozzaako noun oba erinnya ly'ekintu. Tozzaako kikolwa naye erinnya lyakyo. For example, we studied during the night. Are we together? We studied during the night. So in other words, the noun night comes after writing during. So mumaze okuwandiika during ozzaako noun. Tozzaako kikolwa. For example, eating. We studied during eating. No. Awo okozesa while nga bwe tugenda okulaba mu video yaffe eddako. So after during ogamba we studied during the night. During ozzaako erinnya ly'ekintu ffe tusoma mu kiro. So ekiro ly'erinnya oba ye noun mu Luzungu. So night is the noun. Let's have some more examples and you further understand what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, I traveled during the holidays. I traveled during. So after writing during is followed by the noun. So noun is holidays. Holidays is the noun. So I traveled during the holidays. I traveled during the noon. Are we together? So I traveled during. After during you follow it with the noun. Nze natambula mu luwummula. Holidays is luwummula. So I traveled during the holidays is nze natambula mu luwummula. Hope we are together. So after writing during you follow it with the noun, not the verb. ozzaako erinnya si kikolwa. Another example, please don't talk during, so class is the noun. Please don't talk during class. Please don't talk during class. In Luganda tugamba bambi because of please. Bambi toyogerera mu kibiina. So kibiina ye noun oba erinnya lye bawa class mu Luganda. So bambi toyogerera mu kibiina. So mu after mu ozzaako linnya. Toyogera mu kibiina. Nze natambula mu luwummula. Are we together? Okay. They eat during afternoon. So this is the time, the name given to time, specific period of time. Afternoon. They eat during afternoon. In Luganda tugamba bo balya mu tuntu. Afternoon is tuntu. I made a video on time. You can go and watch it. They eat during afternoon. Bo balya mu tuntu. So that is the time. Tuntu. During the exam, the phone rang. During the exam is the noun given to it. So during the exam, hope you've noted something. During the, for example, during the holidays, please don't talk during class. They eat during afternoon. During the exam, so during, you follow it with the noun. During the exam, the phone rang. Once again, during the exam, the phone rang. In Luganda, mu bibuuzo, essimu yavuga. So essimu yavuga mu bibuuzo. Mu bibuuzo, essimu yavuga. Or you can say essimu yavuga mu bibuuzo. It means the same thing. So during the exam, the phone rang. Or the phone rang during the exam. It means the same thing. The last example. He slept during the lesson. Once again, he slept during the lesson. So after during, you follow it with the noun. The noun is lesson. So he slept during the lesson is yebakidde mukusoma. Yebakidde mukusoma. Hope we are together. In other words, a point to note, when you are using during, you follow it with the noun. Ng'okozesa agambo kano during mu Luzungu, okazzaako linnya ly'ekintu. For example, yebakidde mukusoma. Yebakidde mu class. Are we together? So during okazzaako noun oba erinnya lye batuuma ekyo ekintu ky'oba oyogerako. After writing during, you follow it with the noun. Okay, in the next video we shall understand how to use while. Okay, hope you've liked the video.